everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Specialista with us in the shop today. And it came in originally for a steam one that was not working. The machine will turn on, it'll try, but no steam would come out, if not very little, and it'll throw up an error code saying that there's some sort of cloggage in the system. What we ended up doing originally to this machine is descaling it, which was able to purge out a lot of the stuff that was inside of the boilers and inside of the steam wand, which now is making the steam wand work really well. But after that, cleaned it all up. The descaling light was gone because we descaled, and then there was a cleaning light, which I also did. However, before I sent the invoice, I noticed that the grinder was grinding really, really coarse. So we replaced it with a new style grinder. They don't sell old burrs, sadly, for the old Specialista grinders or machines. So usually the solution to that is just replacing the grinder altogether, which is what we did. So now we're going to test all the features of the machine. We'll start by grinding some coffee first. I'm on the second option because the second option, this is older coffee, it's medium roast. We are going to get up to pressure, but usually older coffee has time to oxidize, and that might cause the shot to come out a little interesting, but as you can see, grinding really nice and fine. And this is mainly to test if your grinder is fine enough to brew an espresso. So we're going to start brewing an espresso here. You're going to notice after a few seconds that gauge is going to start moving because of the pre-infusion, as you can see. And then it should go all the way up to the optimal zone, like it is now. Now, fresher coffee, medium roast, will of course be easier to grind and it'll have a lot more resistance in the puck. This is older test coffee, but still able to make a really good espresso, and as you can see on the bottom here, came out great. And now we're going to pull these out, leave them to the side here. And we're going to turn on the steam wand just to show that the steam wand's working. So a little bit of water is going to come out first. That's just because the thermal block is heating up really fast. But once it's consistent, you're going to hear the pump kick on pretty consistently. And you're going to get a steady stream out of the thermal block, as you can see. Steam coming out perfect. So I'm going to run my hand under it. Good amount of steam coming out. That was mainly just due to cloggage. It is recommended to descale these machines somewhat often throughout the year, at least 2 times throughout the year, because instead of a boiler, you're dealing with thermal blocks which are prone to clogging. They're smaller, so we do recommend doing that more often. And then the hot water button to get water for your Americanos or teas. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.